Are the co-parents and are separated and have an existing custody agreement, make sure you understand the agreement and you are not at risk of violating it. Now, some custody orders have specific provisions about relocating. If you have sole custody, you may have more leeway and will be able to move. However, if you share joint legal custody, even if you are the parent of primary residence and you're asking to move, you will still need to gain permission of either the co-parent or the court. Let me make that clear. You'll still need to gain permission from either the co-parent or the court. If you need to know the difference between sole and legal custody, please go to my YouTube page to watch the video explaining the difference. Now, once you plan to move, you must notify the other parent. That sounds obvious, but a lot of people make that mistake. Make sure you ask for permission to move the child outside of the state. Remember, no one can technically stop you from moving, but if your goal is to move your child, you cannot do this without consent. Now, here's a tip. When you're seeking permission, please do so in writing. It does not have to be a formal letter. A simple email or a text will do, but you want to document the fact that you are reaching out to seek permission from the other parent. You have to account for the fact that the other parent may say that you did not. Even though you may feel that you have permission, it needs to be expressed so that when you get to court, it will not be an issue, because credibility will be a huge factor in helping the judge decide your case. You want to make sure that you can prove that you tried to communicate to the other parent about your request to move the child and that you acted in good faith. Now, when you do communicate your desire to move, be sure to include details about your new location and the reasons for the move. This is not the time that you want to make this a mystery or you want to hold back too much. And this is really important because it opens the door for communication and reduces potential conflict. If the other parent agrees to the move, then that's fantastic. However, if they don't, you will need to file a motion with the court.